8 weeks into the programme. We've had a fixture at Swindon Town, which was superb. How's that journey been so far?
It's been good. So we had our trials back in August, end of August. We had about 40 players come down, which is brilliant, mind-blowing, really good. Loads of talent come down, loads of players, brilliant. Since then, we've had a few weeks before our first match of training. It's been growing and growing, the amount of talent and players we've had. We then played against Swindon Town in our first match. We travelled over there. Really good matches. We played the under 10s, the 12s and the 14s across 2 days. It was really good. Loads of stuff we got from it, loads of stuff that we can push on from. So our coaching staff is highly experienced, really good bunch of coaches we've brought in. Lots of experience behind them. So we've now 8 weeks into the programme. We have gone from 40 kids at our first trial day to 80 kids tonight, which is just showing how good we've progressed, how good our coaches have been in delivering and supporting our players through their footballing journey. The word has spread superb. We're really happy with how it's going.
Ben, how's it going?
Mate, I'm quite happy. It's gone well.
First point, where's your kit?
Oh yeah, where's my kit, Reed?
It's definitely not me, mate. You should be speaking to that guy over there.
Josh, where's my kit?
Your kit?
Yeah.
In the bin.
Gaffer, how's it going?
Good actually. Yeah,
I'm gonna get a fine system going if we're not wearing kit. Oh, but you know, top layers have. Oh, what have you done? You let a goal in, Gaffer.
When you bring me my coat.
Alright, listen, it's that guy over there. It's Josh. You're just a suit and tie manager, it's alright, it's not a problem. The man of the hour, he's always sorting out kit. I just want to say you've had 3 complaints in the time I've gone around tonight with video.
Have you?
Yeah.
Who from?
Warren, Ben.
Yeah.
Any complaints, lads, about Josh?
Do you want to?
Benedict, say what you want, mate.
I've been over
You can say it, it's alright.
I've lost someone.
Oh, can you not put that on video? That's not good. Cut that bit. So, thanks very much for that, Josh, mate. The girls' teams is a new addition to WR Academy. Can you tell us a little bit about how that started and how that's going? We're 2 weeks in there, I believe.
Yes, so we had our first set of trials for the girls' team last week over at Harcourt Hill. It has been brilliant. We had 40 girls come down for our trial day on the first week. It's absolutely brilliant to see. Again, we've got a brilliant coaching team over there who has had lots of experience playing in high level in the women's game. A few coaches that have also had experience coaching in the women's game as well, which is really good. So loads of experience there to help the girls develop just as we would with the boys. They will also be playing their matches against other academies.
Doing interviews. Can you tell me how your time at WR Academy's been so far?
How long have you been?
It's been like 3-4 weeks, but what can you give me? Like out of 10, what would you give me? It shouldn't be that hard. 9. Don't say that. 9. No, say 10. Just say 10.
10.
Oh,
10.
yes, that's what I like. 10.5. On average, I'm going to say that's 10, yeah? Good stuff, boys. Do you have a good session tonight? Yeah. Stuff, Josh. Thank you so much, mate. Just the last one, because I know it's freezing cold and it's also like coming up to 9 o'clock on a Tuesday, wet, cold Tuesday night in Oxford. COVID, obviously, it's bringing a halt to everything we do. Probably a rubbish time considering we've only just got the girls' teams going. We're only 8 weeks into the boys' teams as well. How's it affecting us, and what have you put in place to see us through this period?
Yes, so as the academy is growing, COVID has obviously hit again, so we're going into another lockdown for the month. So our plans we've put in place, obviously we're not allowed to run anymore, so our plans we've put in place is we'll be moving everything onto Zoom, onto online platforms. So we'll be holding 2 sessions a week on Zoom for all of our academy players to join. So we'll be doing things such as video analysis, going through the mindset of a player, because we think that's really important as well. Basically the 4 corners that the FA will be focusing on. We will then also be having lots and lots of fun socials as well for the team. So creating that very much team atmosphere which we want to create here at the academy. So we feel it's really important to create a good, enjoyable environment, because if the kids are enjoying football, then hopefully they will be learning stuff as well along that process with their friends. Thank you, of course, to all of the parents who have supported us, bringing their kids down every week, even in the freezing cold weather. It will get warmer one day, hopefully. So yeah, big thank you to the parents. Your support really does mean a lot, and it is really appreciated.
Yeah. In the video.